If you're thinking about going to college to get a tech degree, stop and think carefully, because spending $100,000 in 4 years in a university classroom is not the best investment you can make if you want to build a high-paying tech career. You see, the world doesn't run on outdated theory and slow academic systems. It runs on hands-on skills, certifications, and practical experience, not a piece of paper that says that you got a bachelor's of computer science from some big-name university. You see, what employers really want is that you can prove to them that you're able to solve real-world business problems using the latest technology. And a degree from a university just doesn't help you in that regard. By the time most universities update their curriculum, the technology industry has changed. And in this world of cloud and AI, that change is now happening faster than ever before. So the truth is that university programs just can't keep up. The courses are built around theory and research and legacy systems, not the real-world tools that companies are actually using today. You'll spend years studying computer architecture or writing essays about innovation theory, but you'll never touch AWS or deploy a real-world application or build something that people would actually use in the real world. And meanwhile, the tuition keeps climbing 50 grand, 80 grand, over 100 grand. And for what? To graduate into an industry that now values certifications and real-world experience far more than a degree. You see, employers today want builders, not academics. They want people who can deploy, troubleshoot, and optimize their cloud environments, not people who can quote research papers. Here's what's changed and why college degrees can't keep up. The AI revolution has completely changed how companies build and deliver technology. Every month there's a new service, a new tool, a new automation that reshapes entire workflows. Cloud platforms like AWS are constantly releasing updates every single week. AI services are evolving so fast that what was cutting edge just 6 months ago, for example, might now be standard technology. Universities cannot move that quickly. Their programs take years to design and approve. So by the time you've learned it, it's already very much outdated. That's why companies now hire based on skills, projects, and certifications, not degrees. They need people who can work on the cutting edge of technology, not just talking about it. And they want you to prove to them that you have that capability. You do that through actually demonstrating hands-on skills through a portfolio that you've created. So let's have a look at what hiring managers are actually looking for today, what they actually care about. When you apply for a cloud or AI role, they do not ask you where you went to school. They're going to ask you questions like, how can you deploy a serverless application on AWS? What are the best measures to secure a VPC in the cloud? Can you set up a CI/CD pipeline? Can you use AI services to build something that solves a real-world problem? Those are the questions that get you hired. You don't need a 4-year degree to answer them. You need practical training and real-world experience. That's why certifications from AWS and project-based learning are worth far more than a university diploma. They prove that you can do the job, not just talk about it. And that's why we created our program called the Cloud Mastery Bootcamp. It's built for the real world. It's not just classroom. It's a lot more than theory. It's about teaching you the practical skills, helping you to become a builder, someone who can solve real-world business problems. You work with other students, you build applications, cloud and AI applications, the same kinds of systems that companies are actually using today. You earn AWS certifications, you gain hands-on experience, you learn how to design, secure, and scale modern applications in the real world. And here's the key, you can complete it in months, not years, and it costs a fraction of what you would spend if you went to university. So you're moving into a high-paying job much faster than you would if you went to university, and you're paying a very small fraction of the cost to actually get trained and into that job. Our program is focused on getting you hired fast, not keeping you in lectures. When you graduate, you will have a portfolio of projects and experience you can demonstrate to employers to help you get that job. You see, the world is changing faster than ever, and universities just can't adapt quickly enough. AI is transforming the way businesses create technology, build technology, deploy applications to their customers, and they need people who understand both cloud platforms like AWS and artificial intelligence. And that's why this new approach works. You learn the latest tools, you build projects that prove that you actually have hands-on skills, that you can solve problems. That's why businesses will hire you, because you're able to solve problems for them. You understand the latest technology, how to use it, how to deploy it, how to manage it. Certifications are very useful for that as well. So you earn certifications. However, it's the practical experience that really seals the deal when you're looking for high-paid jobs in this industry. So the truth is, you don't need a college degree to work in tech. I don't have one. I worked for more than 20 years as a consultant in the industry before I started my education company. I do not have a university degree. I earned multiples of six figures a year in my salaries, never having a degree, just having certifications and real-world experience. So in my opinion, and in my experience, you shouldn't spend time and money on university when you can move fast into a career using the technology, deploying the technology, and getting paid very well for the work that you do. When the world moves as fast as it does today, you just can't waste the time in university studying outdated theory. So if you're serious about breaking into tech, the smart way to do it is via certifications and hands-on experience. There's multiple ways you can do that, but if you're interested in joining me and my team to learn cloud computing and artificial intelligence, you can look up our Cloud Mastery Bootcamp. You'll find a link in the description of this video.